To extend unlock in Google Pixel, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. Next step is to enter security and privacy, and then you can scroll all the way down until you find more security and privacy options. Then scroll down again looking for extended unlock. If you click on it, you will need to enter your current password, and then we can click on got it, and there's three options for extended unlock. First one is on body detection. If you activate it, then your phone will try to determine if you have your phone with you. If you have it, then you won't need to enter password each time you will try to basically unlock it. Then there's trusted places. If you activate this option right here, then you can select trusted places on the map with the circle, and then in this circle your phone will always remain unlocked. You won't need to enter password. And lastly, there's trusted devices. If you have any Bluetooth device currently connected with your phone, you can select it right here. I don't have any Bluetooth device connected, so that's why we cannot see anything. But if you have those, then select that device, and each time your phone is connected with that device, it remains unlocked, so you don't need to enter password again. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.